Hello, good morning viewers. In this tutorial, we are going to find a solution to this Olympiad mathematics question. What we are given is a quadratic equation x squared minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. And we want to find the value of x to the power of 6 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 6. So what I would like to tell you here before we start, whenever you are given a problem like this, do not solve for the values of x here. Because what many people used to do is to find the values of x here and substitute them back into this equation. What the examiner wants from you is to simplify this equation and write it in terms of this. And that's what we are going to do in this tutorial. Okay, let's get started. We have x squared minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. X squared minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0, right? Okay, first of all, let us divide every single term by x. Divide this by x, divide this by x, this by x, all of this by x. And now the equation reduced to x squared divided by x is x minus 3x divided by x is 3, then plus 1 divided by x equal to 0 divided by x, which is still equal to 0. Now let us take negative 3 to the right. We have to the left x plus 1 divided by x equal to positive 3. Next, let us square both sides. We want to square this, and also we have to square this. I remember that if you have a plus b all squared, this is the same thing as a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So let's do the same thing here. We have x squared plus 1 over x squared, then plus 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 1 over x. And to the right hand side, we have 3 squared, which is equal to 9. From here, you can see this x will cancel this x. All we have is 2 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 2. So this becomes x squared plus 1 divided by x squared equal to 9 minus 2 as 2 crosses over. This is x squared plus 1 divided by x squared equal to 7. We are almost done. Remember, our main target is to find x to the power of 6 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 6. But what we are having here is x to the power of 2. I know that if we cube this, we are going to obtain terms that have power of 6. So let's do that. So we are going to cube both sides. This is x squared plus 1 divided by x squared all raised to the power of 3 equal to 7 to the power of 3. Remember also that if you have, let me use another color, if you have a plus b raised to the power of 3, this is equal to a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3 plus 3 multiplied by ab multiplied by a plus b. Okay, let us apply the same thing here in this expansion. So we have a as x squared here. We raise it to the power of 3. We have x squared raised to the power of 3. Then plus 1 over x squared all raised to the power of 3. Then plus 3 multiplied by a, which is x squared, multiplied by b, which is 1 divided by x squared, then multiply by a plus b, and our a plus b is x squared plus 1 divided by x squared. And to the right hand side, we have 7 to the power of 3, which is equal to 343. Now let's further simplify this. X squared to the power of 3 is the same thing as x to the power of 6. plus 1 over x squared to the power of 3 is the same thing as 1 divided by x to the power of 6 plus, here is multiplication. From here you can see this x to the power of 2 will cancel this x to the power of 2. This is only 3 multiplied by 1, which is 3. And remember that x squared plus 1 divided by x squared is equal to 7 from here. So this is 7. So all we have here is 3 times 7, which is 21. Or let me write it like this: 3 in bracket 7 plus, because x squared plus 1 divided by x squared is 7. And to the right hand side we have 3, 4, 3. To the left hand side we have x to the power of 6 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 6 plus 7 times 3, or 3 times 7 equal to 21. And to the right hand side we have 3, 4, 3. And finally we take positive 21 to the right hand side. We have x to the power of 6 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 6 equal to 3, 4, 3 minus 21. And we have x to the power of 6 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 6 equal to 3, 2, 2. And hence the value of x to the power of 6 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 6 is nothing but 322, which is our solution. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.